To pay with your Pluxee card at a store. 1. Visit a partner store or restaurant that accepts Pluxee, formerly Sodexo, as a payment method. 2. When you're ready to pay, inform the cashier that you'll be using your Pluxee card. 3. If the store has a card machine, POS terminal, hand over your Pluxee card or tap it if it supports contactless payment. 4. Enter your 4-digit PIN if prompted to complete the transaction. 5. Wait a few seconds for the payment to process. You'll see a transaction approved message once it's successful. 6. You can also check your remaining balance instantly in the Pluxee app after payment. 7. If you're using a virtual Pluxee card, add it to Google Pay or Apple Pay and simply tap your phone at the counter. 8. Always confirm that the store is a Pluxee partner merchant. You can find the list in the Pluxee app before shopping.